I will now explain the Bagua Taiji push hands. Two-way Shou. Bagua Taiji push hands. Two-way Shou emphasizes sticking, adhering, connecting, and following, without resisting or detaching. When mastered, it achieves the subtlety of using 4 ounces to deflect 1,000 pounds and leading the opponent into emptiness. Bagua Taiji push hands. Two-way Shou utilizes spiraling Luoxian force. Additionally, it highlights the piercing palm characteristics of Baguazhang. I will now explain this section by section. First, let's explain Bagua Taiji single push hands. Two-way Shou. First, level push hands. Two-way Shou. Partners connect arms and right wrists. Left palm performs push and to maintain tension. Push palm, opponent absorbs and neutralizes, then push again. Rotate waist and hips for push hands. Two-way Shou. After hands and feet coordinate, push the palm. I attack forward. Switch stance, pierce palm, opponent retreats. Both touch left hands, right hand pushes with force. Push palm. Rotate waist and hips to push palm. Now we will demonstrate the full movement. Second, single ward-off. Both touch right arms, left hand presses with force. Opponent performs ward-off, I inhale and neutralize. Bagua Taiji's ward-off differs from other styles. This is the practice method for Baguazhang's vertical elbow and piercing palm. The ward-off force is directed diagonally upward. Opponent pierces palm, switch stance. Now we will perform the entire sequence once more.